Welcome back to Refinish Network. Today we have a special treat for you as we dive into the realm of Clearcoat spray guns. It's crucial to have the right tools for a flawless finish, and today we're going to talk about some of my favorite Clearcoat guns. Now let's kick things off with the Satajet 5500. This gun is known for its versatile atomization techniques, offering both HVLP and RP options. Sata is one of the most highly regarded names in the industry and a very popular choice. The most popular setup for Clear is the Sata 5500 RP. The new nozzle systems come in either a parallel I nozzle or the oval O nozzle, catering to different application speeds and control levels. My preference has always been the I nozzle for Clearcoat. It also features a swivel adapter at the base. It's a small touch, but it prevents you from getting wrapped up in your hose as you walk around the paint booth. As with most Sata guns, they tend to work very well, but they're not overly forgiving. The material is delivered pretty quick, and you can end up with a run pretty easily if you're not careful. The Sata 5500 also comes in a limited edition, which features various designs including the True Soul, Future, and the Universe edition. If you want to go all out, you could even look at the 5500 Phaser, which was designed in conjunction with Porsche. This is a one-of-a-kind spray gun with an ergonomic design and is very aesthetically pleasing. Expect to pay a premium for this, but it's worth noting that all of these 5500 spray guns provide the exact same atomization. Up next is the Devilbiss DV1 Clear gun. This gun was a significant step up for Devilbiss, who already makes some very good spray guns. The build quality is substantially higher than some of their previous generation guns. There are fewer parts to disassemble because they've integrated the baffle into the neck of the gun. One of the really cool features is the addition of the digital gauge at the top of the gun, which provides confirmation of your air pressure in a convenient location. It's also nice that it can be placed right in the gun washer and cleaned with solvent, something many other digital gauges cannot do. The DV1 has delivered a consistently great finish every time I've sprayed it. It also seems to deliver product a bit quicker than the other Devilbiss guns, so you have to be moving a bit faster than spraying with the Tekna Prolite. It includes the Plus HVLP cap, which was perhaps inspired by the original Devilbiss Plus, which used to be a very popular choice for Clearcoat in North America. The DV1 design is great. It's a sharp-looking spray gun that you'll feel confident walking around with. One of the most innovative features is the regulator that has been built right into the base, which allows you to control your air pressure with ease. It includes multiple tip sizes for versatility and provides an excellent value in a spray gun. Moving on to the Sagalo 4600. This gun has 4 dedicated air caps for various coatings. The Sagalo 4600 stands as a robust choice for those diving into the realm of car painting. It offers a blend of functionality and adaptability. With its 4 dedicated air caps catering to different coatings, it's not just a one-trick pony. I used the DVR Clearcoat air cap during my evaluation with spraying Clear, and it quickly moved up the list as one of my favorite spray guns. It was a good blend of atomization and delivery, and it felt like it was putting the product on at a good speed. But the usual trade-off, I did find you needed to be a bit more careful because the product would run if you didn't move a bit faster. You can get these guns with a digital gauge integrated right in the center of the body, which is pretty slick, and they also ship with a pretty clever inline regulator. This removes some of the bulk of having a larger regulator on your airline. Its body, made of forged anodized aluminum, not only speaks of durability, but it's also a lightweight design, making it easy to handle during long paint sessions. When I first began spraying over a decade ago, Sagalo was not a name that I knew very well. However, the Sata 4600 emerges as a reliable companion for both seasoned professionals and those at early stages of their car painting journey, making a mark with its blend of durability, ease of use, and performance. The Devilbiss Tekna Prolite, or GTI Prolite in some areas, is known for its professional quality yet very beginner-friendly operation. It's not a dedicated clear gun, but it's still worth a mention due to its versatility. The Prolite can be bought in a kit with multiple tip sizes and air caps. The tip sizes control the amount of material, where the air caps control the type of atomization. This is by far the most popular spray gun I see in the shops I visit. The only real complaint I have about the gun is the extra parts and seals that you have, which creates a bit of extra cleaning and a risk of damaging when reassembling. The build quality is still very good overall, but it is a gun that I see needing a rebuild kit more often than others. And I'll also include the Tekna Clear gun here, which is a slightly different version of the Tekna Prolite that is optimized for clear. Very similar guns, but it does put on the product a little wetter and it lays down the clear a little nicer than the Tekna Prolite. If you want something budget friendly and versatile among different products other than Clearcoat, the Prolite is a great option. Now, on to the Iwata WS400, perhaps the best Clearcoat gun in my opinion. The Iwata WS400 embodies a blend of efficiency and performance, making it a favored choice among many professionals for Clearcoat application. It has a very large spray pattern, but the way it atomizes the Clearcoat seems to provide the best finish possible, and at a speed that's easy for the operator to apply the proper amount of material. This reduces your chance of runs and lets you just sit back and relax while you enjoy spraying. Additionally, the reliable build of the WS400 ensures it stands the test of time in a demanding workshop environment, making it a worthy investment for those seeking to elevate the quality of their finishes to a professional level. Iwata tends to keep it basic with an analog regulator and simple design. It's definitely paid off for the WS400. Some of my best jobs have been sprayed with this gun. Lastly, we have the Walcom HTE Clear, a gun that's made with a unique carbon fiber body and a forged aluminum inner structure. It's known for its excellent atomization and efficient material consumption. The Walcom HTE Clear gun emerges from a lineage of innovative tools by the Italian company Walcom, bringing a fresh perspective to Clearcoat application. It was initially brought in to complement the Walcom thermo-dry heating system, which heats the air to over 100 degrees to improve the drying time and reduce material consumption. The carbon fiber body, besides being lightweight, also acts as a heat deterrent and ensures the gun remains cool to hold even during long paint sessions. The gun, however, has seemed to take on a life of its own and are loved by many even without the heater. The Walcom HTE provides incredible atomization and pretty quick application speeds, so it may take some time getting used to if you're starting out or used to a slower gun. The HTE Clear gun is praised for delivering Clearcoat with minimal orange peel effect, ensuring a smooth finish. The carbon fiber finish initially worried me in terms of how it would hold up compared to a metal spray gun, but the last 5 years has put my worries to rest. The carbon fiber can be a bit more prone to scuff marks, but still looks great and functions very well after all this time. With a price point similar to other high-end spray guns, it presents itself as a viable option for professionals seeking to achieve superior Clearcoat finishes. This is my list of favorite Clearcoat guns which I've had or seen the most success with. Let me know what you think, and if there's any other guns I should try, please let me know about them in the comments. And while you're here, I wanted to share some of my other channels and videos for you to check out. That way, if I disappear for a while, you can always check in and make sure I'm still kicking. Anyway, your support is greatly appreciated, so until next time, happy painting, and we'll see you real soon.